We've been trained to believe that a warranty is the same thing as reliability. We think that because a car is new, it won't let us down. There is a massive difference between a car that is high-tech and a car that is robust. In the race to add more features and hit tighter emissions targets, modern cars have become incredibly fragile. An old car isn't just a budget choice, it's a strategic choice for anyone who values a machine that actually stays on the road. In a modern car, the systems are interdependent. This means a failure in a non-essential component can often disable the entire vehicle. A faulty tire pressure sensor or a glitch in the infotainment system can put a car into limp mode. A single microchip shortage or a proprietary software error can turn a $60,000 SUV into a driveway ornament that only a dealer can unlock. An old car is modular. If the radio breaks, the car still drives. If a power window motor dies, the engine doesn't care. By keeping systems separate and mechanical, an old car ensures that a minor problem stays a minor problem. Reliability isn't just about how often something breaks, it's about how quickly and easily it can be fixed. For a popular older vehicle, you can find parts at any local auto store or even a junkyard for pennies on the dollar. You can fix 90% of an old car with a basic socket set in a YouTube tutorial. And modern cars require proprietary diagnostic software that is intentionally kept away from independent shops and owners. When you drive an old car, you are the chief of maintenance. When you drive a new car, you are a subscriber who has to wait weeks for a dealership appointment and pay a $200 an hour labor rate just to have a code scanned. There is a difference between a machine that is built well and a machine that is built complex. Modern engines use high-pressure turbos, direct injection, and complex variable timing just to squeeze out a few more miles per gallon. These are high-stress components with tight tolerances. Older engines, like a straight 6 or a naturally aspirated V8, were often under-stressed. They were heavy, simple, and built with enough metal to survive heat, neglect, and high mileage. We've traded longevity for efficiency, but for the person who needs their car to start every single morning for the next 10 years, a simple, inefficient engine is the more reliable partner. A car is a tool meant to provide mobility. If that tool requires a high-speed internet connection, a specialized technician, and a complex supply chain of microchips just to function, it's not a reliable tool, it's a fragile one. Driving an old car isn't about being stuck in the past. It's about choosing a machine that you can understand, you can maintain, and you can trust.
Hey everybody, as always, thank you for watching. If you have any thoughts, stories, or experiences, please share them down below. Also, I recently began selling these Drive Simple, Live Free bumper stickers. If you'd like to grab one and support the channel, you can find the link in the description. Thanks again, and have a good one.